To another Canva edition of Tech Doesn't Bite. Today I'm going to show you an image behind text. So we're going to open up a new screen. I'll just put it as a title. Let's do summer fun. Now I'm going to change it to League Spartan. So I'm just going to click up here at the top. And I'm going to come over here and type in League. Right there it is. So I'm going to click there. I want it bigger, so I'm going to go for 120. Puts it on 2, and that's fine. I'm going to drag it up to here. Now on this, I am going to change the color. Let's make it yellow. I want to have the effect, I want it to be outlined, so I'm going to click up here to effect and I'm going to put outline. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. I want it to be a black outline. Doesn't matter, you can choose whatever color you want to. And I'm happy with that, so I'm going to come over here and I am going to duplicate that. Now on this one right here, I am going to change it. I'm going to change the effect. I'm going to click up here at the top, effects. And I'm going to make it hollow. Now it's not going to be quite the same size. Well, it is. It worked out just perfect. So good. Now we're going to come over here to elements and I'm going to click on geometric animated. I'm going to see all. Let's see, what do we like? I think we'll go with this one right here. And I'm going to drag it out so it's behind all the text. And right now it really doesn't look that amazing, but if I right click and I'm going to go to layers and I'm going to go show the layers. And I'm going to drag that geometric shape over here and I'm going to put it in between. And now you can see it coming through the text. Quick and easy, a fun way to make your text stand out a little bit more. Remember, this is Tech Doesn't Bite. Hope this helped. Please leave a comment if you want me to talk about any other thing on Canva or anything else. If I've helped you in any way, don't forget to hit the link to buy me a coffee. Y'all have a great day.